Hi everyone, welcome back to Walk Square. In today's video, let's see how can we edit background image like how we do on Photoshop. Okay, let's go to the video. So first I have taken a blank slide. Let me add design to it. Let's choose this one. Okay, it's fine. Now here in this title column, for example, let's type it as thumbnail. Okay, it's done. Now go to this one. Edit this one to Algerian. Now it's fine. Okay, everything is set now. Go for the shape fill. Use gradient color, like you will get the filling of this one. Okay, I'm taking this one. Okay, now it's set. So we don't want this column. Let us delete it. Okay, now come, let's add image to this slide. Go to insert, take pictures from this device. I am taking one from desktop and I'm inserting it. Okay, it's ready. Let's zoom out. Now I want only this part and I don't want this rest of the background. So how to remove? So go to this remove background. Okay. It says mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. All these pink areas will be deleted from the slide and only this plain part will be shown. So now I don't want this small part also. So what to do? Mark areas to remove. Now I don't want this one. So just draw over it. Wait till the place turns pink. And again, here I'm deleting this one also. Yeah, it's done. So give keep changes. Now you could see that our background image got trimmed. This way you can edit a image in Photoshop. Okay. After which you can add all these extra functions which I will discuss with you in the next video. Till then, bye from Wolf Square.